Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Connect. First, let's get you started. You can access your meeting room directly through a web browser or by downloading the dedicated desktop application. Before joining, it's crucial to ensure your audio and video devices are properly configured. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface layout and the various tools available to you. This initial setup ensures a smooth experience for everyone involved. Once you are in a session, engaging with others is simple. Utilize the chat pod to send messages to all participants or privately to individuals. If you have a question or wish to speak, simply raise your hand virtually to alert the host. Additionally, actively participate in polls and surveys to provide your valuable feedback and contribute to the discussion. Your interaction enhances the overall meeting experience. As a host or presenter, you have powerful tools at your fingertips. Easily share your screen, upload documents, or use a whiteboard to illustrate your points. You can manage participant permissions, granting or revoking access to audio, video, and chat as needed. Remember to record your session for future reference or to share with attendees who could not make it live. These features ensure effective delivery. To elevate your Adobe Connect experience, consider these advanced tips. Leverage breakout rooms to divide participants into smaller groups for focused discussions and collaborative activities. You can also customize your meeting room layout, arranging pods to best suit your presentation style. Finally, always practice using the platform before a live event to ensure a seamless and highly effective session for all attendees. Preparation is key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.